So she ordered 2 dresses, one in black and one in nude. It's the same one. I'm about to package it and we're gonna ship it out for okay. So we're gonna package this. I got the bigger poly mailer just so it can fit perfectly. I'm gonna insert some pictures so you guys can see how this one looks. If you guys want to purchase these, I'm gonna have a coupon code. Spacious. Each person gets a cute little gift bag, or it's like a little thank you bag, and it's a coupon code for 20% off their next purchase. Yeah. Alright, it's ready to go. Her order is packaged and ready to go. So tomorrow morning I'm going to ship it. Tomorrow I actually have to go to downtown as well. I'm gonna need to update my vendor's my mom's vendor's license. So we need to update that. I'm gonna take you guys and teach you how to do it. I know a lot of people don't know that you need a vendor's license if you're gonna be selling some of these pop-ups that we do. You need a vendor's license. So I'm gonna check you guys with that, well, me, because my mom is coming. I'm going. I'm gonna take you with me to show you guys how to do that process, ship this order, and then yeah, I guess I don't have really that much stuff to do. Well, I don't have that much stuff to do tomorrow. I'm still on spring break. Tomorrow's gonna be my last day of really relaxing and doing exactly what I want to do. Yeah, I need to take it in. But so right now it is about 11:30, I think, at night. I just got for work. That's why I look a mess. I've been really working all day. So I'm about to edit a video, watch some Netflix till I fall asleep, and then tomorrow morning I'm gonna vlog everything tomorrow. So yeah, tomorrow I'm vlogging everything. Let's go edit. Good morning. I don't know where the windows at. Good morning, guys. So yesterday I packaged the an order I'm going to ship off, but right now I am at, let me zip up a little bit. So I am at, what's this building called? I'm gonna figure out the name. Let me make sure the microphone. So I'm at the building where you can buy your vendor's license. Now it costs $291 now, but the prices goes up to $500 in July. So I wanted to see, my thing is not expired yet, but this is how it looks. Let me you guys see, I'm trying to cover up my information. This is the vendor identification. And I think my picture is so cute. I have the cutest little picture. I haven't expired yet, but let's see what they say. Hopefully I can. I'm trying to get some quarters for this damn meter. Okay, but hopefully you know, don't give me a problem. So today, that's what I'm doing today. I'm just, let me attach everything together. Good vibes, good energy. Hopefully they don't give me a problem today. This place, I don't know what to say. Okay, good. And I just uploaded a video too, guys. Go check it out. I just uploaded a video. I know I say every vlog I say how consistent I am, but yeah, I've been consistent. All right, so let's go, guys. Yeah, let's go. Okay, so I'm on my way to the 3rd floor. You get that appointment. So floor 3. Going. Okay, guys, I am back. That didn't take that long. I thought it was gonna be a little longer. I'll show you guys my little cute purse I'm wearing today. This cute purse is Michael Kors. I got this only for $30. You guys know I love a deal. All right, so this is done. Which one says? She gave me back my old one because it's not expired yet. All right, so we got 2 now. Let me explain why. Okay, I need to go to the post office too. So the reason why we had to get our vendor's license is because the police have been giving us problems when we are at the vendor. Okay, the black farmers market that we vend at majority every week. Like, well, when we're free, me and my mom go there. You guys know. If you guys don't know, if you guys knew, I'm gonna link that somewhere so you guys can check out the black vendors market that we do pop-ups at. So when we started going there doing pop-ups, the police used to harass all of us. Like, they harassed all of us and saying that we need our vendor license. They gave people tickets before. Thank God I didn't get a ticket from them. But so they forced all of us to get a vendor's license and a seller's permit. So they only did that because this farmers market, apparently they don't have insurance. It's something that's going on with the farmers market where the police kept on harassing us. Because me and my mom, we've been doing pop-ups and police never harassed us while we did pop-ups. Never asked us for our license or anything. But here, they used to always harass us. But now, all of the vendors, we went together and we came down here and we got our stuff. We got everything lined up. And so that's why we have to renew it. We get reminders from the person who runs it. We get a reminder that ours is about to expire. Mine's expired in June, so I didn't know I was able to go down there now. Today is, what were we, March, almost April. I didn't know I can come this early to just renew it. And that's why I told them. I was talking to the lady and she said, yeah, you can come something she was saying 3 months before. I'm like, cool. So now I know. Alright, so the life of a entrepreneur. And since the pandemic happened, it's been so many people doing pop-ups and trying to, you know, make extra money. I don't know if they don't want to go to work or what. I'm gonna take this camera off because I'm in downtown and the police over here do not play. So I'm gonna turn it back on when I get to the post office, and then we're gonna figure out what we're gonna do after we hit the post office because it's only 10:36. It's still early. So yeah, I'm going to turn you guys off. I'm gonna be mindful of my surroundings. Shipping an order. Hold on, guys. Alright guys, so I just shipped her order and then I just sent her the tracking number. I just emailed her the tracking number. So I am glad that that's done. Those are 2 main things I had to do today, which was ship an order and update my vendor's license. Well, me and my mom's vendor's license. Okay. So it's still early. It's 11 o'clock. I kind of want some sushi, but I'm like, is it too early to eat sushi? Well, it's never too early. So I'll probably take myself out on a little date, because why not? And I haven't had sushi in a long time, so let's go do that. And then when I get home, I guess I'm gonna just edit vlogs and do homework. So nothing fun. So yeah, let's go get some sushi. If you guys have any questions about anything, how to ship an order, if you guys have questions about being a vendor, feel free to comment. I love answering messages. So yeah, let's go. It's always gonna rain. This weather is horrible. My shit. All right. Oh, let me roll this window up. So I thought I thought it was not gonna be anyone here. I don't know why, because like it's only, okay, it's almost 11:30 now. I just thought nobody's gonna be here, but then I realized it's spring break, so it is packed. Like, it's so many parked cars, so I know there's a lot of people inside. Let's go. Oh, let me go on live real quick. I want to go on live while I go eat, because why not? I hope you guys are subscribed to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are following me on all my social media platforms. Let's see who's on live right now real quick. I need to do my hair. Alright, and my outfit is from Bourgeois Boutique, guys. My outfit is from, this is just, I just like to throw this on. It's so cute, and in the keyhole and all that. Things look like nobody on live, but it's fine. All right. Where are we going? Wait, let me back up so you guys can see. I need to start dating so I can get me a man. So I won't be by myself. I haven't had sushi in a long time. I probably put too much of this. But no, I need to start dating. Well, I am dating. I think I'm putting too much on here.